Today, we celebrate more than 17 years of success. We celebrate the people, the passion, and the journey that brought us here. Welcome to Signity's 17th anniversary, where we look back with pride and look ahead with excitement. 17 years ago, a dream took shape through the vision, dedication, and partnership of Amit Sir and Shikhar ma'am. More than the co founders, they are the life partners who build not just a company, but a family grounded in trust, care, and strong values. As we celebrate 17 years of Signity, we celebrate the inspiring duo whose vision continues to shape our culture and inspire our future. Every milestone has a story, and every story has people behind it. Today, let's revisit 17 reasons that make us proud of our journey and celebrate everything we have achieved together over the past 17 years. Look around this room. Every single thing we have achieved started with late nights, shared coffee, and a team that genuinely became family. We didn't just build an amazing tech company over the last 17 years, we built a home where we grow, win, and celebrate the life together. Our journey is guided by five simple truths: absolute transparency, unyielding integrity, true equality, a people first heartbeat, and a relentless drive for excellence. These aren't just values on paper, they are promises we live by every single day. 17 years ago, a few clients chose to believe in a small team with a big dreams. Their trust gave us the opportunity to prove ourselves. Over time, those professional relationships grew into lasting partnerships, built on mutual respect, trust, and shared success. We have never believed in being just another service provider. We believe in becoming trusted partners. When our clients face challenges, we face them together. When they celebrate success, we celebrate alongside them. The fact that 80% of our clients choose to work with us again and again, we don't just build software, we build meaningful digital solutions that businesses rely on every single day. From web development to advanced AI, we have continuously evolved with technology building mobile, cloud, automation, and intelligent AI solutions that help businesses stay ahead. Technology changes constantly, and so do we. We have never stopped learning, adapting, and embracing our new opportunities. That curiosity and hunger to grow continue as we embrace AI and automation. We remain committed to keeping people at the center of everything we do. Some things can't be measured or documented. It's the laughter after a stressful day, the helping hand offered without being asked, and the joy of seeing teammates succeed. That spirit of togetherness is what makes Signity feel different. Innovation happens when people feel safe to think differently, experiment, and learn from the mistakes. For 17 years, we have built a workplace where every voice matters, every idea is welcome, and creativity has the freedom to thrive. One of our greatest reasons to be proud is the way we celebrate the life together. Festivals, birthdays, personal milestones, and team achievements, every occasion brings us closer. From our humble beginnings, we poured our hearts into proving that a close knit team from India could deliver world class engineering. Earning the trust of global names like Samsung and PwC is a milestone that reminds us of how far we have come. Behind every review is a relationship. Behind every rating is a promise fulfilled. Our reputation wasn't built through marketing, it was built through honest conversations, consistent delivery, and a genuine commitment to helping our clients succeed. Some of our most successful projects began with nothing more than an idea, a conversation, or a rough sketch on paper. Over the years, we have transformed those ideas into more than 1,000 successful projects and over 11,500 launches, helping businesses innovate and grow. 17 years have given us deep roots, unforgettable memories, and priceless experience. But every ending is also a new beginning. We knew that our most exciting achievements are still ahead of us, and we can't wait to write the next chapter together. Thank you to every employee, client, partner, and well wisher who has been part of this incredible journey. Your trust, dedication, and support have made these 17 years truly special. Here's to celebrating today and creating many more milestones together. Happy 17th anniversary, Signity.